Hello everybody. We will learn why do we have seasons. And we experience seasons. We have autumn or fall, winter, summer, spring, all the 4 different seasons because the earth rotates. So it goes around, it rotates on an axis. This is an axis right here, and that's tilted in its orbit. So this is a tilt. If we look at the definition of tilt, it means it's a sloping position. It's tilted. So for example, tilted, if we look at this desk, we can see that it's sloping or in an angle. This is tilted. This desk right here is tilted. So because the earth is tilted, in the summertime, more of the energy or the sunlight in the northern hemisphere, this is a hemisphere, this is the northern hemisphere, this is the southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. So most or a lot of the sunlight hits the northern hemisphere in the summer months, and in the winter most of the sunlight hits the southern hemisphere down here, and that is why it is colder in months like November, December, January, and then it's warmer in months like June, July, August because of this tilt. More of the energy of the sun hits the northern hemisphere. The tilt of the earth is 23.5 degrees. So you can see how the earth rotates or orbits around the sun here. So in the summer, if you take a look, the sun is hitting more of an angle of the northern hemisphere. In the winter, you can see that less of the sun, here's the North Pole up here, this is the South Pole, less sunlight hits the northern. There is less of an angle. Here, there is more of an angle for the sunlight. In the spring or vernal equinox, it's equal. The sun hits equally along the equator. The same in the autumnal equinox, which is the fall. Here is a video on YouTube to give you a little better perspective.
The earth travels around the sun. It takes 1 year for the earth to go all the way around the sun once.
So it takes 1 year for the earth to go all the way around the sun one time, or 365 days, or it's 365 and a quarter days to go around the sun.
One time. And because the earth is tilted, sort of like a spinning top.
So like he said, the earth is tilted like a spinning top. So this is a spinning top. You might have played that as a kid.
Parts of the earth get more heat and light from the sun at different times of the year.
So like he said, parts of the earth will get different sunlight and heat throughout the year. So that's why we have summer, fall, winter, and spring.
You see, spring and summer, fall.
So there's fall. And now we're going to have winter. The southern hemisphere gets more.
And winter.
So that's our lesson for today. Why do we have seasons? So I hope that gives you better understanding, and hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for your time. Take care. Bye-bye.